Okay, for 65, they're comparing the weight of cars, right, and the fuel efficiency, how many miles per gallon you get, right? So they drew the graph, the scatter plot, and then plotted the trend line, and I'm making the assumption that this is the equation of that trend line. So A says describe the association between fuel efficiency and weight, and first it's linear, and it's a negative correlation because it's going downhill. So I would say a negative correlation is fine for our level. You could include it's linear, right? The book tends to go further. They'll say there's a few outliers or not too many outliers, or it's relatively strong because the points are packed close to the line. I'm okay if you just state that it's a negative correlation. If you want to state that it's linear, that's fine also. For B, they're saying now if we use that model, this trend line, right there, and we build a car for 2,800 pounds, what is the fuel efficiency going to be? So we use the formula E equals 49 minus 8.4 W. So E equals 49 minus 8.4 times 2,800 pounds, right? So E equals 49 minus... Okay, and just to be sure, the W is in thousands of pounds, so this is 2.800, right? Okay, so 8.4 times 2.800 is 23.52, right? So 49 minus 23.52, that comes out to 25.47. So... what does the model predict the fuel efficiency? It predicts approximately, it depends what you want to round to, approximately 25 miles per gallon. Right, based on this trend line that was drawn through the data.